How to use Hugh, the Craft Express portable handheld printer. First, remove the magnetic bottom of your machine and switch the lock switch to open. Then, open the side of your machine, insert your ink cartridge, and close it again. And relock the latch. Next, switch your machine on. If your machine is not charged, you can use the USB cable that comes with it to charge it on your computer. Now that your machine is turned on and loaded with ink, it's time to start printing. With Hugh, you can print wirelessly from your computer or your phone. Next, head to your internet browser on your computer or phone and type in https://bit.ly/C printer. A download will appear. If you have a PC, follow the instructions on the download. If you are on your phone or on a Mac, you can skip the download and move to the next step. Head to your Wi-Fi and switch your phone or your computer Wi-Fi to the Craft Express printer hotspot. On the inside of Hugh's magnetic bottom, you can scan a QR code that will take you to your design page. Or you can type hughsocrafty.com into your URL. Once in the design space, click the New button. From there, you can upload a photo, upload fonts, type in a message, change your font color, and more. Once you have your text or image loaded, click Save and then click Print Preview. Make sure your image or your text are centered in your print window. Click Print and allow your design space and printer to sync up. Click the top button of your machine. Once it turns green, you can slowly swipe Hugh to the right, revealing your print. To turn Hugh off, flip the switch on the bottom to off, and then put the magnetic bottom back on to keep your ink cartridge safe.